Hello, everyone. It's me, Teacher Maita. Welcome to another Art as Therapy. So, here are my contact details. Hope you can connect with me. Just a reminder, art as therapy or art therapy is a tool. It is a tool to help one meditate, express distress, decompress your daily lives. Okay, so it's not like foolproof medicine. Think of it more of a vitamin than medicine. Okay, this is called the badge of achievement. We will make a badge of achievement for ourselves. If there's one thing that maybe your peers or your family or even the school has not acknowledged, but you want it acknowledged somehow, what would it be? This badge is personal. Sometimes there are things others have not acknowledged. It might not be on purpose, but it is important to you. It could be small things. Actually, that's the thing. The smallest things are the ones left unsaid, left unacknowledged, but they do have a very big impact. So you will tell yourself while you're painting or doing this, you can use any medium, of course. I did a good job. I did a good job, and nobody knows how hard it is, but I achieved something great. Sometimes it could be small, like getting to the dentist on your own, especially for the first time, cooking rice for the first time, babysitting, not just your siblings, somebody else's kids, not blowing up in a certain situation. So, what kind of badges can we do? Simple ones, actually. Let me show you. You may start with a basic shape. You could do circular or the squiggly ones or the spiky ones. Anything that would feel comfortable or something that you'd want. I know some people they want to use star shapes. You can even use heart shapes. Totally up to you. I'll give you an example. I'm going to give myself this badge, the badge of patience, an award for not blowing up. Yeah, I feel like given the past few weeks, I need this. You have no idea why I need this. Something that I think some people have acknowledged this, and a lot of my friends are the ones who actually send me this or tell me this. Badge of love, an award for being the best pet parent. Now, I'm not spoiling my kids, not that way, but I'm I feel like I have a good level of strict to love ratio. My dogs don't bite. They like to be cute, which is the reason why it's so hard when you lose them because they're so loving. Anyways, how many badges can I make? Well, as much as you feel like you can make. But my recommendation is you make one a week. Do something that, or make a badge that you feel like this week I did this and I was not acknowledged for it. But that's okay. The first person who will always have to acknowledge things will be you. You have to be acknowledging you. Nobody else can do that for you. You are the first person who must acknowledge this. Now, if you have time after you've done this, I suggest you also make three extra badges or medals, one for your parents, one for a friend, and one for someone who you haven't usually talked to. Not someone who maybe they're in your circles, but you're not that close, but you want to honor them in some way. I'll give you guys some examples. You could be playful with this, by the way. All right, how about this? I made a badge of eggship, an award for best eggs breakfast. Goes to your mother, who makes the eggs just the way you want it. Nobody else can do it. Yaya can't do it, Dad can't do it, nobody else can do it but her. Made with extra love and cheese. Something. It could be that playful. It could be, oh, this one for the next one. For your friend. Badge of generosity. Awarded to your friend who's always sharing. You always have those friends who always have complete stuff. They always have paper, notebooks, pens, extra pens. And you're frazzled when the teacher says, get a sheet of paper, it's time for quiz. It's like, where's that? And then they'd hand you one. What a lifesaver. And third, the badge of hello. Maybe for your neighbor who's being the best neighbor during this pandemic. Maybe they keep sending you food or just simple cookies or a plant or just help you sweep the front of your house. They're being nice. Or maybe it's the vendor there by the corner. You want to acknowledge that they've been nice to the corner street dogs over there. They've been nice to the street urchin who walks around who's hungry. You want to acknowledge them in some way. That's totally up to you. So I'll see you in the next session. Like and follow for more. I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye now.